jealousy. I spot fake answers through the lies they telling me. Then I start to turn to the Hennessy. Fucking up my remedy, my food on the centerpiece. OGs used to sit me down, whisper they were telling me, watch out for the snakes, cause the sellouts follow jealousy. Now they know they can't step to me. Bitches see the cloud and they get to poker facing. Mama's words taught me how to spot all the fake shit. Rock brands, you can't tell, yeah, they look basic. Hoping for the sound of my spaceship. Bitches see the cloud and they get to poker facing. Mama's words taught me how to spot all the fake shit. Rock brands, you can't tell, yeah, they look basic. Nudie jeans when I'm pacing. Switching course, now my life is so complacent. All this pain make me wanna pull up and face it. 10 toes down since I learned to tie my laces. Nudie jeans. Switching course, now my life is so complacent. Nudie jeans. 10 toes down since I learned to tie my laces. Nudie jeans.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'd probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear someone rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, ho. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me, ho. Nigga, I must have blew on my G's, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, and maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, throw me a fit, wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up, I had to double up and tell these niggas fucking love before they ride. And they don't really want a nigga love, I hit them with the uppercut, I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified craft when I'm flying past, I'm an alien standing in if you look up in the sky. Blow your mind back, push your eyes back to your iPad, I'm an Iraqi and suicide when the bombs are loaded and your mind explode in the wind. And you gon' sit down, repent. I was raised in the sword. Me and the it clown are friends. Red balloons for your kids. Stick my tooth in your bitch. I lost too many friends. I don't do good with kids. What you know about riding dirty in the evening? What you know about ramen noodles in a pack of Saison seasoning? What you know about leaving the oven door open when there's no heat again? And the rent is due and your landlord trying to throw you out on the streets again. Nigga, I was always dreaming of a building in a fucking Lamborghini. Wanna win, I'm gonna finally get a break. If I didn't get away before, I guarantee that if I talk to God, then I can say I got it when I pray. She don't really want me to get petty, turn a dime into a penny, but you know I got a lot of shit to say. I can turn some water in a Henny, drink it up and let the semi shoot up, pop you niggas all up in the face, blood all up in the lake. I wanna see a wake die, they don't wanna wait by. Creep when I came by, teeth like a canine, bleed through your Levi's, weed from the east side, eat when the beef's hot, teeth from the teapot, aim from the treetop, bang to your knees pop, skirt in the Nissan, swerve in the 3 cops. You just a bird in a beehive, you just a cold in a room full of germs, nigga. I said all of my idols and favorite rappers ain't been rhyming a lot. What the fuck happened to Jay Electronica? I wonder if he still got it or not. Whatever happened to Elzai? Whatever happened to Meth? What happened to Beans? Whatever happened to Lauren? What happened to Banks? Tell me what happened to Blick? What the fuck happened to Most? What happened to Missy? Nigga, what happened to Ghost? Whatever happened to Q? What up with Common? Where the fuck, where did they go? Tell me what happened to Buttons? What about Luda? Hope they ain't losing it now. Hope they get back to the music, cause I need some new shit. I'm sick of these new niggas out. I'm that new nigga. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 niggas wanna war, 10 niggas on the floor, 11 niggas on the porch, 12 killers wanna war, 13 carnivores, 14 Labradors, 15 dinosaurs, 16 avatars, 17 bombs and grenades at your rental car, 18 ways you can die when you have it all. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bitches wanna fuck, 10 niggas wanna rush, 11 hitters on the bus, 12 think they wanna bust, 13 other guns, 14 runners up, 15 rubber gloves, 16 double pump, 17 shots in your face to your cut of love, 18 ways you can die trying to fuck with them. I'm willing to die for this shit. Said I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. And my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. Shit, if I wanted something, I ain't got the money, I'd probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to die for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Joyner, woo!
pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's when money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball. Roll to the wrist, and downs I froze. She wanna fuck, dominoes. Taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door. Hold the wrist though. Don't know where the switch though. Got my bands up. Think I need a brain stroke. We keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Hold up, weed in the whip, got rolled up 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip, every night get lit. Me and Uno for the hit.
Driven to deep left field and gone.
Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he bring a ding, 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 ding. Whole squad need chains and rings. Loud smoke, some Asian things. Yeah, rip it open and I run in the Nemus. Copping on it even if I don't need it. Bands on me left the cashier speeches. Thank God, thank Keen. The real friends, you don't know the meaning. Get on the bag, go do the math, split it up until it's even. I spaz on the beat for no reason. Tripping out, walking on water like Jesus. Let him know it's no season.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
this shit. Bitches see the clout and they get to poker facing. Mama's words taught me how to spot all the fake shit. Rock brands, you can't tell, yeah, they look basic. Nudie jeans when I'm pacing. Switching course, now my life is so complacent. All this pain make me wanna pull up and face it. 10 toes down since I learned to tie my laces.